Today we're baking
Ice cream.
You show this to them. Show it to them. Yay! Mama will help you open it.
Oh,
This is called DIY ice cream.
strawberry ice cream.
Ay! Careful. And then, what's next is put it here.
Put it here.
You do it.
Mama, put it here.
Okay, you mix it. Taste it. Taste your hands. You have something in your hand? No, just put something in your fingers. Taste it.
Yummy. Mama, put it.
Okay. And now, Karen, mix it again. Go.
Yummy.
Kinain mo na. Wala na tayo magagawa. Uy, mix it first. Properly. Mix it properly.
Yummy. Yummy.
Mama na!
What color?
Red.
Yes.
That's yummy. Mamaya ka na kumain. Naubos na!
Yummy.
Hindi pa nakamix mabuti. You have to mix it, oh.
Wala na, nakuha ninyo lahat.
Naubos na. Asan
What's
yung
next?
ano? Here, you sprinkle it here. Sa ice cream mo.
Yeah, like that.
Mama, nalagay mo spoon kayo. Sige, magmukbang ka na dyan, ha? Careful! It's tumatapos. You eat your ice cream. Show it to the camera that you're eating. You close your eyes daw pag, pag-bite. Yummy.
Yummy.
Here.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Last.
Yummy.
Banana and strawberry.
Mm. Bye-bye.